This is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings, then enter the Google category. First, let me show you that my parental controls are indeed active. As you can see, they definitely are. Then at the same Google category of settings, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the Google Account Management Center loads, open the Data and Privacy section, scroll it all the way down, and go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid and freaked out. We will restore the account later on, so you will not lose it. In here, make sure to enter the password to the child's Google account. Then at the following page, check those two boxes at the bottom, go for Delete Account option, and from here you can get two types of messages. You can either get the explicit one that says that the Google account and all its data have been deleted, or the one that will say something went wrong. Both are completely normal and fine. So at this stage, the parental controls were deactivated. Let me show it to you real quick. As you can see, there is no Google account linked, and if I'll open up parental controls, there will be none. So all that is left to do on my end is to restore the Google account, which you can do by simply logging into the Play Store with it. So in here, I will start with entering the email address. Then you should get the same message as I did. Then I'll also enter the password. Click at the next button. Usually in most cases, you'll get something went wrong message. That's completely normal. That at this stage, pretty much, you have successfully recovered your Google account. Let me just actually finalize the sign in, so I'll be able to prove that to you. So just proceed with the Google login as you would normally. And as you can see, the account is all recovered, ready to be used. Parental controls are deactivated or switched off, so great success, I would assume. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.